You brought a lawsuit against your doctor, and now your case is going to trial. We now are in jury selection. And during the course of jury selection, a number of jurors raised this question. If we're unsure about who's entitled to a verdict, do we have to sit here for days or even weeks trying to make absolutely sure who's entitled to a verdict? Because if that's true, now we're going to be sitting here forever, and I can't do that. What kind of response do we give to a juror who asks that question? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And now, during jury selection, there is a specific answer for that question. The response is, listen, you don't have to be here for days or weeks on end trying to be absolutely certain that what we are claiming is true. That's not what you have to do. Instead, we only have to show you that we are slightly more likely right than wrong that what we are claiming is true. That's entirely different. And once we do that, once we tip the scales just a little bit in our favor, now the jury is required to give us a verdict in our favor. Now the jury is then obligated to compensate you in the form of money for all of the harms and the damages and the losses that you incurred, all because of your doctor's carelessness. So the jury doesn't have to sit there for days and weeks to be 100% sure. Instead, we only have to show that we're slightly more likely right than wrong. And once they recognize that, they begin to realize, okay, I don't have to sit here for days and weeks. I just have to be slightly more likely right than wrong in order to justify a verdict in our favor. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because this does come up from time to time in jury selection. And I wanted to share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what happens in these civil lawsuits. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, but you haven't done so yet, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your unanswered questions. This is what I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.